Hi guys, my name is Vicky and today I'm gonna show you something about technical support scams. And I'm gonna show you each and everything. Basically, I have watched some videos in YouTube, but they generally don't show like how do the scammers get your number and how do they make a call to you. But I will show you all these things, okay? So first of all, I want to tell you that there are too many types of technical support scams. So I'm gonna show you the first one in this video. So the thing is like they call you and tell you that they are calling you from your computer company, from Microsoft, HP, Dell, and because basically they are having your number and everything, you know. So they what do is like, let me show you a format of that, like how the thing look like. Just give me 1 second. So they are having basically a data which looks just like this. Like the name is over here, the email address is over there, the phone number is over there. They're having a service tag for the computer, they are having your card details even sometimes, and they're having, you can see that they're having your phone number, email address, and your name. Means that it's enough for them to scam you. And even they're having like what kind of product are you having, like to whom you called last time about the product information. You call Dell Tech Conscious last time. System mechanic key, this one is SM. Clark Linda must have told to install system mechanic key on the computer. So this is all these things, guys. So let me just show you one more thing, like from which software they scam you. They are scamming you from TeamViewer, they're scamming you from Go to Assist Expert. All these are the things to get remote aces, okay? So I was there, like, so they call you and tell you that they are calling you from your computer company, and there is something which is wrong in your computer. So basically this, data, like how do they get your number? This is the question now. So what happens is like whenever you face any kind of problem in your computer, you call your technical support team for that. You call, like, if you are having a Dell computer, you will call Microsoft or Dell for that. So what happens is, somebody, some, like, if you call Dell, so what happens is like they will see this number on the screen. You call that, they will ask you what is your name. You say my name is Alan. So what's like, which device are you using? Which device of Dell are you using? So I'm using a Latitude laptop. E6410 is the model number. So in this way, E6410 is number. So in this way they, just make all the details and data out of you. They are going to ask you the service tag of the computer. You say this is my service tag of the computer. So they are going to ask you more things about the computer. What's the problem? You say I'm having problem with Google Chrome. Okay, so this is all these things. I'm not able to use Google Chrome. So this data is actually leaked by someone who's working in the company, or by some kind of hackers. My investigation says that. And this number is easily available. Like if you go in market, and you can easily buy one number in around 40 to 50 cents each detail, about the person and the computer. So this is all, that how do they get your number. So now let me explain you now how do they call you. So basically they are having some of the applications to call you. The first one is Skype. They are having, this is a free caller ID. You just have to, make an account in Skype. That's for free, and you can call USA from any corner of the world. So this is Skype, and this one is Xlite, which is a toll-free thing, like iBeam, Xlite. You buy toll-free thing, and you can call. So you must have seen, guys, like sometimes when they make a call to you, the number is unknown number, which is in this format. So it means that they are calling you that time from Skype. Sorry, again, Skype. And if they are calling you from some number which is like this, so I'm sorry, this is a toll-free number, which is very easy, not difficult to buy. You can easily buy that, and you can call and scam someone through that toll-free number, because it seems that if some guys are actually calling from some kind of company. So proceeding further, they call you and tell you that they are calling you about your computer. There is something wrong in the computer. You say no, my computer is working fine. So what do they do is, now they tell you that you can check your computer manually by yourself. I don't know how to check that. You say because I've been seeing that my computer is working fine since I bought the computer. They say no sir, there is actually something wrong. Since 5 or 6 days we are observing the computer. The computer is sending us notifications that the computer is downloading some kind of malicious files. So they tell you to press the Windows key and letter R like Romeo at the same time. So the run screen pops up there. They type the name of a program, folder, document, or internet resource. So what you have to do there is, they tell you that you have to type prefetch over there. This is prefetch. Okay, so you click. Now they tell you to click on OK. You click on OK, so something like this pops up. But before this, a screen pop-ups that is you are not you lost the permanent access to the computer, something like that. So then you have to click on continue, and then this pop-ups there. So what happened is, this pops up. So these are the files which the third party is downloading in your computer. The scammer says this: are you able to recognize these files? You say no, I'm not able to recognize, because this is just a computer junk. This is just file installed by the computer by the computer itself. This is just system generated files. So what happened is, these files, they tell you that these files are stored in the computer by the third party, and the pf file is the file. They tell you that pf file is a type of file which steals your computer password, fetch up the details, your personal details from the computer. And these are too many pf files in the computer. You say, oh my god, there is a problem in the computer now. So they ask you that how can we fix that problem. So you say that you can fix that problem basically by giving us the remote, and we can remove that. Okay, so you get the remote to them by these softwares, TeamViewer, GoToAssist, SmartBoy, all these things. And what do they do is, actually they press the Windows key and letter R again and remove this and type command over there, CMD, and it pops up the screen like this: Microsoft Corporation's all right reserved, which is a command prompt box. So now what do they do is, they type the command tree over there, which is used to just scan the directories in the computer. So it looks like this, and it seems that you're running a scan on the computer. They say that we are Microsoft certified technicians, we can only run the scan on the computer and all. So they pretend to scan your computer, and in the meantime they type something like this: security, I'm sorry, security, security hacked. So something like this pop-ups, security act. Okay, sorry, hacked. Okay, so you can type anything over there. Just have a look. It's easy to type anything over there. Just type in tree, and you can type, even I can type this. I can type my name over there. So this is all by just pressing Control plus C after the tree command. Let me show you again. Tree, write anything, CMD FGH. I will type this, and I will type I will just Control and C, stop this. So it's going to show me like this. The scan says, oh my god, CMD this, like this. So they tell you that the securities have been hacked in the computer, so you need to buy a new security, and they tell you some kind of plans for that, which I'm going to show you. So basically their motive is to ask you about money. Okay, so they can ask you any amount like $600, and in the meantime when they are scanning the computer and everything, they are asking you like, what do you do, for what purpose are you using this computer. So you tell all these kind of details, and they get an idea like how much to pitch a user. Like if you tell this is a business computer, so they are going to pitch you higher. They can even pitch you $1,000 for that. If you say personal computer, they're going to pitch you less, $500. If you say I'm using this online banking on the computer, they'll ask you around this. So this is all like how do they pitch you and ask for money and scam you. And then they are having the gateway and all these things. So guys, this is all what they do, and scam you. So what you have to do is, you have to hang up the call anytime they call you, and you have to be just aware of these things. You have to share this video and tell everybody about these computer scams. Okay, so please subscribe my channel. In another video I'm going to tell you more about scams, another type of scams. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye. And guys, I'm sorry if you must be thinking like from where these people are calling you. So let me tell you that thing too. 90% of the people are calling from India. 5% of them are calling from Philippines. Is that? I'm sorry. They're calling you from Philippines, and the rest 5% which is left are calling you from Pakistan and other countries. So you have to be aware about these scams and tell everybody. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.